Hello everyone, welcome back to Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today a very short delicious recipe. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread. Very quick recipe and it's so delicious, so come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Very crunchy outside and soft and delicious in the middle. Let's start. So guys, I have some garlic here. I've put some rapeseed oil on it. You can use any oil of your choice. Put that into an aluminum foil and then put it into the oven for about 10 minutes. So whilst my garlic is in the oven, I'm trying to cut my baguette. Okay, I bought this baguette in Lidl. Okay, Lidl have really nice fresh bakery, so that's why I use Lidl baguette, but you can buy any bread of your choice. I love using this bread, and this is how I cut it so that I'll get the most out of it. But you can cut it any size. Just showing you how I cut the bread. All right, yeah, this is how I do it. It's really presentable and you make it crunchy on the outside and really soft in the middle. Just look at that. This is how I like the bread. So the next bit is my garlic is nice and soft. Take it out of the oven and I crush them nicely, as you can see here. So it's very easy to use a spoon to do it. All right, so after crushing it and making it nice and smooth, I'm going to add the butter. You can use any butter of your choice, okay? Any butter that you use at home. So I put that butter in and I mix it nicely with the butter. This is very easy recipe, as I told you before. Very quick and easy, and you can do this every evening for your kids if they love garlic bread, okay? So this is how I make it. And then I'm going to add some dried parsley. All right, yeah, you have to add parsley. Yeah, it adds really lovely taste to it. So I add some parsley. I did not add any salt because I'm using salted butter. All right, okay, so that's it. This is all done, guys. We are going to spread this delicious butter on the bread. So let's do it. So guys, after battering it both ways, I put that into the oven. Let's look at that. And then 180 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see here, it's out of the oven. It smells amazing, very delicious, crunchy outside, very soft in the middle. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching and may God bless you. Please don't forget to share. Bye.